Hey guys, so I have a little haul for you today. This is my order from the new Occasions catalog and Sale-a-bration. Demonstrators that attended on stage could order early a few of the products. So I ordered a few of them. I'm saving my bigger order or I'm saving ordering more until the whole catalog becomes available, because there are Sale-a-bration items that I really want, and you earn those when you purchase products. So I'm going to save those purchases when I can earn those Sale-a-bration items. So got a couple boxes of glue dots. It's always nice to have some on hand. First, I'm going to start with these. So this is Butterfly Gala, however you want to pronounce it. It is a beautiful photopolymer stamp set. It is a two-step stamp set. So you have the butterflies, and then you could ink up the solid images with whatever color you want. And all the butterflies are different. However, they're all shaped the same. So this one solid stamp set will fit all of these. This one will fit these. So these two are nice if you want to do two-tone. You don't have to, but of course you can. And then you have a solid image to ink these up really quick if you just want to do the single. It has great sentiments. There are a total of 18 stamp sets, and it's photopolymer. And with this, you get, or a part of the bundle, you get a punch. And it punches out the two butterflies. So I picked up that. And this, I believe, I'm pretty sure, is part of the suite with that plaid paper that I showed you. Not the plaid, but the gingham paper that I showed you in my other video, which I'll link above here. So I picked up that. Then I got this lovely, lovely stamp set. I love this one so much. It's Piece of Cake. It has 21 stamps. You have a cake stand and all these different cakes you can put on the stand. You have different toppings, different occasions, birthday, Count the Good Times, May Your Love Grow, Mr. and Mrs. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. And this one also comes with a punch. So I think that's really cool. And I'm hoping that, you know, and this isn't necessarily how it's going to be, but when they come out with a punch, that'll last a little bit longer than just the Occasions catalog. So maybe there'll be something in the new annual catalog next year, possibly, I hope. I'm a big fan of the punches. This is actually a stamp set I won at Onstage. I showed it in the last haul video. It is the new Cling stamp set. So, I'll talk more about these when I start using them. They're great, brand new. But I went ahead and purchased the Thinlits to go with it because the Thinlits are gorgeous. So let me show you. So you get tons of butterflies. You get 2 sheets. And look at this. So here's the stamp set. And look at all the different butterflies. Oh my gosh. So this one right here, this stamp is right there. And then this is right here. But then the rest is standalone. So if you didn't care for the stamp set and you just wanted the dies, you could totally do that. This one is one piece. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? It's one piece. So you could cut these out and easily trim them if you wanted to separate them or keep them together. And then you get some little like flourishes, and then all these different butterflies. What's cool is that these little ones, you can cut out multiple ones in one passing. That's huge, because nothing, to me, nothing is more annoying than cutting out something tiny and you have to do it 1,000 million times. Okay, this one also is one piece. So isn't that pretty? The 2 different ones. It's just so pretty. And then you get a different little flourish, little sprig of whatever, and then some more butterflies. Looks like these are all duplicates. So that is great, because then you can, like I said, cut out multiples. Great if you do classes or get together with some friends to make cards. So that is the Butterfly Beauty Thinlits, and it goes with this stamp set as a suite. Next, I got the Forever Lovely stamp set. This is photopolymer. It has 13 stamps and some wonderful, beautifully written stamp sets. Let me see if I can find the card I made. So here's the card I made with this stamp set. This is one of our make and takes. So you can see the beautiful sentiment and how these stamp out the flowers and then the leaves, how they kind of go together to create that. So really pretty. I did pick up the Lovely Flowers Edgelit dies because of this. It is so stinking pretty. And then these right here are part of these right here, those dies. But this is beautiful cut out. So I'm looking forward to making cards out of that. You should see the inspiration in the catalog. If you've placed an order with me within the last 6 months of at least $50 or more, you will get a catalog. So if you're interested in the catalog, you want to make some last minute orders, you may want to go ahead and do that. So I got those two. And with that, I got the All My Love Designer Series paper that coordinates with the stamp set. So kind of show you the card. Oop, if I can get my stuff together. So very similar. Let's go ahead and bust this out and I will show you what the papers look like. So let's see here. So you get this floral. You get 2 of each design, and then here's the back. Really pretty. And then the same thing but on white. You get red polka dots. Really pretty. And then these 2. Now there is a heart, I don't remember what it's called, but a Valentine, it's kind of geared to Valentine's Day because of the hearts. I'm not sure if I'll get that one. And here's the heart. I'm hesitant because it is Valentine's Day, but the dies are so pretty. This is really pretty. Backside of that. So this can be used, even though it has hearts, it can be used for wedding, anniversary. Love the little hearts. That's cute. So that is that paper. I also picked up the Heart Epoxy Droplets. Really cute. You get, it looks like 3 different sizes. And I've seen, well, on stage, they actually did a demonstration with this, and they colored them with the alcohol markers. So even though these are clear, you can make them any color you want with your alcohol markers. And my order reached $150, so I went ahead and grabbed the Hostess set for free. This is just because it's cling. So you attach the stamps to the cling sheet just like you normally do. And I'll demonstrate this later on once I actually sit down to make a card. But it's really easy, really sticky. It's great. Maybe I'll demonstrate it at the end if you're interested. I'll keep this aside if you want to watch. So I got that for free, and then I was able to choose, with every $50 purchase, you can choose 1 item from the Sale-a-bration. And they do have an item or 2. If you purchase $100 worth of items, you can get an item for free. Dies and whatever. So my order was $150, so I got 3 items. This one, first of all, this one is the Butterfly Elements. I'm going to go and open these because you can't see everything that's in here. So they do have quite a bit of butterfly things. So if you're into butterflies, I think you'll really enjoy the Occasions catalog. Very great for spring. And I like butterflies. I'm not obsessed with them, but I love the butterflies they have in the catalog. And I have this paper upside down on purpose. I don't want you to be distracted by it the whole time. So you get 2 of these, and these just pop out, and they're just simple butterfly elements. And then you get 2 of these, and then 1 of these. Although this is really weird, it's kind of half. I wonder if it was supposed to be a whole. It's odd. Anyway, I'll look into that. Or if you're a demonstrator, let me know. Is this supposed to be half sheet or a whole sheet? But you get those. Then I picked up this Hello Cupcake stamp set. It's a photopolymer. I love this stamp set so much. It's so cute. I love this sketchy cupcake, and then you have these really cute little sentiments, and then you have a sketchy heart flower, a couple flowers, sprinkled with love, celebrate your day, sweet wishes. So this is a really cute stamp set. Adorable, and that was free. And then finally, my favorite. Are y'all ready? This paper is free with $50 purchase, and it is called the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. It is gorgeous. And what makes it so pretty is the color scheme. In my opinion, it's the color scheme, because I love the pastel colors. I'm trying to open it here, sorry. The pastel colors with black. It just pops. So let me slide this down. So look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. I'm not sure. I don't think it does. I was looking to see if the punch cut it out, but these would be easy to fussy cut out. Or if you have a scan and cut, this would be perfect. I have a scan and cut. I may try to cut these out using that. But I love this so much. It reminds me of the cards I made. I'll link that video above, using the Memories and More pack. So beautiful. You get this black gingham. Look at this. I'm going to see if I can zoom you in a little. Look how pretty. I just love the... I don't know if I would love it as much if it didn't have the black. You get this, some polka dots. Really soft purple. Some black and white. Pretty. I love this. You could color these, whatever color you choose. These are gorgeous as well. I wonder if the punch would cut those. The punch may cut these because it appears to be similar shape. See how it kind of is bumpy right here? So it may cut those. To practice. Try it out. Striped. Simple green. Flourish. I wonder if the punch cuts this too. I keep looking behind me like I can see anything. Has the label on it. Hello. And that's it. So this is free with 50. It's gorgeous paper. Love it so much. So I think, let me look. That is it. That's all I got for my pre-order. Once the catalog goes live, I will order a few more things since everything will be available. And some of the Sale-a-bration items I really want. So let's go ahead and put one of these stamps together if you're interested. So this is the new Cling stamp. And if you watched another video before, the old clear mount stamps, if you put the sticker on, it would not stick. So they have cling mount stamps. And I'll tell you this, the cling mounts are very sticky. At OnStage, they were saying you have to take them off a certain way or it'll rip your stamp. And I'm like, oh my. So I go back to my hotel. I put together, where is it? I put together this stamp because I won it and it was clean mount. So I'm like, I'm going to try it. So I put it together. Looks lovely. And I was like, no, it's not that sticky because I would, could peel them off, whatever. But they are that sticky. So you have to really be careful when you go to pick these up, that you really kind of pick them up from the bottom. Don't just grab the edge and yank it off because it possibly could rip your stamp. Now some of these appear to be a little bit easier to lift than others. Like this butterfly, it is really stuck on there. So you just have to be careful. And well, there we go. Found that corner and lifted it up. So, this is brand new for Stampin' Up. I think there are some kinks they're going to have to work out. Personally, it's almost too sticky. So, see how that is happening? So you just need to be careful when lifting your stamps up, okay? Now, I will say this. Some of the demonstrators on our Facebook groups have actually kept this sheet. They keep it in here and they put their stamps on this. So we're going to try that. But let's go ahead. I'm going to punch these out. And if you're one that you're like, you know what, I don't even want to deal with the sticker, I'm just going to use it like normal. Let's see if they will stick like the old ones used to. I don't think they will. Oh yeah, they will. Okay, good. So if you don't want to put the sticker on, they didn't feel that sticky. So this will work still. Okay, so that is your choice. Let's see. So we'll start with the big one. So what I do is turn it over, find where it creases, peel this off, just like that. And then I will take this stamp, move this out of the way. And then what you do is you line it up and make sure it's perfect, because once it's down, that's it. So you just line it up with the image and peel it off. Just like that. So we'll do another one. I'll do this one. Oops. So here is my image. I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And then you peel it up. Just like that. So we'll go ahead and do the rest. Alright, and like I said, some demonstrators are keeping this release sheet. I'm going to do it for this one just to kind of test. I'm going to take this sheet off though. And then just place these back on here. I think they are easier to remove. Once they sit somewhere for a while, they kind of settle. I heard that some people are having issues getting them off their acrylic blocks. So, and that's if they let it like sit for overnight or anything like that. So, you know, like I said, it's just going to be something that's going to have to be worked out. But I'm excited. I'm glad that they have now made these sticky where they can have the sticker. I like the sticker look better than just the plain, but it's whatever your personal preference is. So that is it. I would link everything below, but none of it's available to you guys. So stay tuned. I will be featuring products in the new year coming when the catalog is available. Like I said, if you've placed an order with me within the last 6 months of $50 or more, you will receive a catalog automatically at occasions and a celebration. So if you're interested in getting a catalog, check out and see if there are any products that you are interested in that are available now, especially with the holiday catalog that will be coming to an end. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. There is a hostess code below if you do place an order. I would so appreciate your business. I'm trying to get my Stampin' Up thing back and rolling. I was doing good, and then work and life and all that happened, but I'm motivated to get things going again. So stay tuned for the next video coming in a day or so, and I'll catch you guys next time.